He's drunk. Drunk on dizziness. Watch out. Just keep spinning around in circles. Look at a little drunken sailor baby. Oh God! Watch out, Steve. She really is dangerous right now. Oh man, that was funny. Oh, poor baby. She's really dizzy. I mean, she ran head first into the cabinets.
Jackie, I think that's enough.
Let her just wait. I got the camera on. It's fun. It's like a minute and a half of her spinning so far. Watch out, little girl. Well, you did it to yourself. Don't go crying about it. Jackie, do you feel better now? Jackie, why do you keep doing that? Psst. You okay, honey? Just keep spinning around in circles. Jackie? Psst. Jackie? Jackie? Psst. Jackie? Hey, Jackie, stop licking the glass, especially after that. Come here. Come here. Hey, all right. Yay, huh?